We're back. Basically simple end result for the pins. That will now be your new quick release for all you Tracker, Suzuki, Samurai, Chevrolet Geo fans out there, because they're all the same freaking vehicle. Yeah, simple enough. Tools needed. Of course, the grinder. Clamps, preferably a bench clamp. These are, my fab shop doesn't have that. It's a sad fab shop. What else? Punch. You'll need one of these. This is actually not the correct one, but yeah. Man, I'm gonna wake my baby up. My wife's gonna be beat off, man. But yeah, just a punch and a crappy friend that holds his sack for reasons unknown to man. But yeah, that's it. Face shield, safety, and let's go try this out.